In this snippet, we're looking at a Django REST framework serializer called Password Change Request Serializer. Its primary job is to handle the first step of a password change by letting the user choose how they want to receive a verification code. Section 1. The field definition. First, we define a single field named channel. This is a choice field, which restricts the user's input to two specific options, email or phone. This ensures that the incoming request is valid before we even touch the logic. Section 2. The validate method. Next, we dive into the validate method. This is where the heavy lifting happens. First, the code grabs the current user from the request context. This is important because the serializer needs to know who is asking for the password change. It then looks at the channel the user chose. Section 3. Conditional logic. The code then branches into an if-elif block based on that choice. If the channel is email, it calls a utility to generate a password reset OTP for the user's email address and then triggers the send_OTP_email function. If the channel is phone, it does the same but for the user's phone number, calling send_OTP_SMS instead. Section 4. The result. Finally, the method adds the user object to the validated data dictionary and returns it. This allows the view, which will eventually call this serializer, to have easy access to the user instance. One thing to keep in mind: while this code works, it's a bit unusual to trigger actions like sending emails inside a validation method. Usually, we want validation to be read-only and handle side effects, like sending SMS, in the save method or the view itself. This keeps our code cleaner and prevents an email from being sent multiple times if validation is called more than once.